everyone. Today I'm going to be working on Hope, and she's 11 years old. She is a Canadian warm blood, and she does jumping. She used to do dressage, but now her owner has trained her to jump, and she absolutely loves it. And so some of the jumping, as a jumper, some of the muscular groups are different from dressage. And so a lot of times in a dressage horse, you have your pectorals being used and your hind end being used a lot more. But as a jumper can sometimes switch, and so you're going to have a lot of tension sometimes in the neck because of a lot of times it's hard to have the hind end come underneath and really not be on the forehand. And so her owner has said that she does tend to have some trouble leaning on the forehand. So I've already found in the evaluation that there is some pectoral tension and neck tension. So I'm going to start out with the mouth release, and then I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to actually start with the hind end so that we can really relax and open up all the muscles in the body, and then get to the neck, and then we're going to have a happier horse. So that's what I'm going to work on today. She's been used to doing mouth releases, but that doesn't mean she's going to let me do a mouth release. So I'm just going to take my thumb and I'm going to put it on the roof of the horse's mouth and put some pressure on that. Just a little pressure. I don't do a lot of pressure, but really just relaxing those jaw muscles. There's 3 different types of mouth releases that I use. And I hold that, and she's starting to like really move her jaw, and I really like that. That's very good. This also helps relax them, so then I can work a little deeper on their body. That's a good girl. What a good girl. Yeah. So this one you got to be a little bit careful with, you know, because you're putting your thumb in the horse's mouth, right near the teeth. But just being calm and comfortable and careful with your horse really helps them. So then the other one that I like to do is it's okay. It's okay, girly. I put the thumb and my pointer finger on the roof of on the top of their gums, and there's acupressure points there, and so that can also release endorphins into the horse's body. I know, like, oh. And in this case, like if you don't use your abs a lot and roll your shoulders back and keep a strong stance, some horses can, you know, take you away from your stance. Yeah, you're nice and strong, aren't you? Yeah. You are a very good girl. But there's a yawn right there. So I don't know if you can see that. She really opened up her jaw, and she's like, oh, I like that. Nice releases. So I do those 2 first. That helps start the relaxation process in their body. Yeah, what a good girl. And then I also like to do one where you put your hand under the kind of the cheekbone, and there's just a little spot, and I just put some pressure on there. It's actually like right here on us. And so it can be a little sensitive, so you've got to be really careful when you do this one. And it's just on my pointer finger on the inside of the cheek. Yeah. And again, usually I hold my pressure for about 10 to 15 seconds. Not always, just depending on what the horse, but if you see the blinking of the eye, start slowing down. And she's calming down. There we go. I don't always hold it for a really long time, but I do hold it up until what I can feel as like there's some good releases going on. So I'm going to do the other side as well. What a good girl. Yeah. That's so good. Oh, so licking and chewing. She's already blinking her eyes. She's very sleepy. It's all super good things that I'm looking for in her releases. That's my girl. As a wrap-up, this is Mel Hitchcock with Mel's Equestrian Services. I love to help you and your performance horse to succeed through equine massage and dressage training. If you enjoyed this video today, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. You can find me on my website at melsequestrianservices.com. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. To find the links, click on my link tree in the caption below. I hope you take a look and have a wonderful day.